Okay. I broke it, but it's working now.
It's working?
It's working. And it's running. It's annoying because I wanted to get in this somehow. Probably off of this. We'll see. We will see. Yo. I'm just going to share this quickly. I didn't do anything. How are we? No, I need the glasses on. I can't recognize you. Yeah, sorry, they're downstairs. They are downstairs right now. Max, I'm gonna forward you something. What's the time now? 9. It's 2 o'clock. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 in 5 hours.
Where are you sending me this?
Discord. How are we? How are we? How are we? Sorry, guys. I've been doing a bunch, and then I just thought, fuck it, we'll come on here and do this. Is the stream quality that bad?
I think it's good.
Is this okay?
Yeah, for me it's good.
You can see it? Okay, my thing is really bad. Drunk stream. No drunk stream. No drunk stream. Do we fade this? Chat. I think we have to fade this a little bit. You ever consider doing live streams for AM sessions? Nah. No. We have some unfinished business all the way down here. Which I just don't believe. But I'll try it. I'll try it. Basically looking for a short. This push, don't really trust it too much. We may get run out a few times, so watching from South Africa, appreciate the love. Just thought we'd come on here. Yeah, so I was just doing some stuff, and then I thought, fuck it. We can just come on, talk shit. If there's a trade, there's a trade. If not, I can actually switch these back around now because I had them set the opposite way for the stream earlier, and it really fucks with my mind when NQ's on the left. Come talk shit. Come do your thing. Long ES to all-time high, free money. Held the market up. I don't think I've ever said that. That's crazy. What I said was when you trade big size during the sessions I trade, you become a bit of a target. So like during New York, London, for example, having like 100, 150 on in a single trade, the way I trade, is difficult. Can't do that very easily. So Yeah, and I don't really like to adjust, and it just becomes one of those things. $100 on each tick's like 2. I don't know. We can figure it out. I haven't traded that size in a minute. 100 on each tick is $500. Yeah. Oh, what's up, Max? You good? Ken, you kind of look like Wolverine. I'll take that. Thank you. I'll take that. Do you always zoom out chart? Yeah, to be honest, my chart's always like this. Like I just zoom in for the Ninja Trader streams mainly. Yeah, Dylan, I'm not here to teach you the market dynamics, bro. The fact you had to ask me if it's through live or through prop with 100 contracts is retarded. So yeah. You're a hedge fund manager. Yeah, nice. Couldn't give a fuck. Bro, how the fuck did you just message from me?
I'm sorry, I was
Chill. I'm chill. I just listen. This is my stream. I don't have to be nice like I am on Ninja Trader streams. So it is what it is. I think I'm gonna get absolutely smacked here. That's fine. And I'm vegan trans bodybuilder from Germany. And we're out probably with this push. I'm really fading this, so how can you make $1 million trade today? I don't know, in honesty. It's above my ballpark today. I'm just trying to scalp a few points and get the fuck away from it. This is just my thing. This is just the way I trade. I love trading this 2 o'clock push. ES is looking a bit more ballsy than. Thank you. What about 500k? What about $500? How about them ones? Okay. This is my main target. We'll see what happens. If not, I'm actually fully expecting to get run out, especially here. If we collapse this move, I might add. But yeah, this is the area that we need to close below to add. And on ES, it's this. Who's asking? Get damn. I see Kane. Beautiful strap. What's about your process, contract size, target points each day for a prop firm? For prop firms, it depends, right? I typically just aim for like 1K a day per firm, but obviously some firms I just tend to push that boat a bit harder. It depends, boys and girls, to be honest. There are more aggressive firms. Like if you're trading with Funded Next, for example, it's really hard. Because the drawdown's pretty tight. Well, actually, all the 50Ks are pretty tight now, right? Like most of them offer like only 2K drawdown. So trading minis is pretty difficult unless you've got money to burn. And then you basically just try and build that buffer at the start, which is typically how I do it, in all honesty. I like to build a buffer using minis to start with and then figure out my consistency later. So, yeah. During challenges, I mean, challenges are just a waste of my time. And again, I'm just going to give you the answer that you might not like to hear, but just the truth. Challenges are a bit of a waste of my time, so I typically try and pass them as quick as possible. At the moment, I'm doing a challenge, actually, to pass 25 25, 50K challenges just trading normally, like without trying to pass them, just trading, using one to two contracts. And it's not going well because I've had 2 losing days. So, well, yesterday was a winner, but we kind of clawed that back. Don't want to talk about it. And then today's a losing day. So, yeah. How big's my monitor? It's 32 inches. I set the resolution to 1080, so it should be fine. Is it blurry, Max? No. What firms give 25 accounts? It's a mix. It's like 6 firms or whatever, 5 firms. For Traderify, I personally had 5 150K straight to funded, yeah. Been a bit tough on TLM, yeah, it has been, bro. Can't lie. Do I target more than 1R or for multiple of my trades or just 1R? Depends. Really depends. We're risking fucking nothing here. It's like $100. $75. Woo! I probably should add. I need to figure out a way to add. What's my A++ setup? 9 expands. Doesn't really pull back. Doesn't, basically just expands. One-sided. 10 takes 9. Play back into 50% at 9. That's like my thing. Do I trade 1R, 1 to 1R? Depends. Really depends. Kane's live right now. Yeah, I was bored and I need to salvage this day somehow. It's not looking too good because I'm trying to short this, and that should have been my ad, I presume. Yeah. Thanks for going live, man. We appreciate it. Yeah, no worries. Appreciate you guys. What trade copier am I using? I'm using Tradecopia. Really, really good so far. You're long from the opening range mid right here. Makes sense. We're coming back for you. Don't worry. Will you hold for NVDA? You won't though. So you're just like teasing me in the chat with this like fake hold. Didn't 10 a.m. retrace today? Yeah, but I trade 10 and 2, right? Why do I trade 10 and 2? Because it's the new 4-hour candle. Yes, this 650 area is hit. Guess where we are, Leo? The magical round numbers. It's one of the main reasons I wanted to stream. ES loses 6,500. You think NVIDIA will dump? Maybe. Top of balance, yeah. You always got a new term for everything, haven't you? Can't just accept that it's 6,500. Honestly, I've got 0 complaints about Tradecopia. I wish that you could add things like Project X accounts, because then I wouldn't mind trading Project X accounts right now. But at the moment, I'm just trading with all the firms that offer Tradeovate. Soon. When? You think Tradesyncer works well as Tradecopia? I don't want to shit on a company trying to grow, but I don't think so. Kane is live. We're in the same short. That's crazy. Have I ever used E8 funding? No, I have not. I should be logging to add here, so I'm going to minimize risk. Sell one more maybe. Video quality sucks. Get better internet. Live from Biggleswade, UK. No. That is where I grew up, but that is not where I'm live from. When was my last losing month? I'm not really sure. A couple, maybe like 2-3 months ago. Kane going for the kill in this trade. Yeah, I'm top ticking. I'm trying to do a Leo. Leo. Biggleswade, House Frodo and the boys. What? It's in British accent. Tradecopia. Think about it, Kane. NVIDIA all-time high, microchips in sales and are holding the US request. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe not. I don't really want to fade NVIDIA. Are you off? Okay, I have to go watch my boys. Yeah, no worries. I'm going to put them on in the background as well. Much love. Sounds something like Lord of the Rings village. Yeah, I mean, it's just a village in Bedfordshire where I grew up in the UK. People try to, oh, I know where you live. I know where you live. I can almost assure you, you do not. Can I fake an American accent? Nah. Long 620s? Maybe. In for 20 cons on this. BA, you're a motherfucker. What's that? You risked 1500. Yeah, I mean, it was fucking tight, eh? What, how squeaky was your bum up here? What did you get in here? Wait, he shorted? How do I handle the high pressure of scalping? I mean, to be honest with you, Lisa, this is risking $75. It's actually nothing, right? In the grand scheme of things. Opinion on quarterly theory. I mean, there's only so many ways you can dress up a scam. So, yeah. I wish all the people that use it with the most success, because typically people are desperate when they go to that, which is fine, and I get that, and some people do find success with it, but like you can really debunk a lot of this stuff by just zooming out. This is my ad. I should be adding here. This was my ad and I faded it. This should be my ad as well. And then once, if we get pulled in, I'll just trail my stop to here. What's my take on back testing? I think back testing is really, really, really fucking good. You gain a lot of confidence. Well, actually, let me just think this through. If it trades to my stop, I'll be in this trade. Oh my God, Kane. So yeah, I think backtesting is the #1 way to gain confidence in a model. You see how much it loses, you see how much it wins, you see how much it plays out, how much it doesn't play out, how often it comes to stop loss, how often it comes to TP. Like you get confidence in these grinding markets. And the reality is a lot of people do backtesting wrong. They try to rush it just to get data to understand if it makes money or not. And actually you should use backtesting to grind out the nitty-gritties, right? So what time's earnings? NVIDIA is like 4:20, but I'll be done before 4. I'm not actually trading past the close. How do I handle imbalance on risk amount per trade? It depends, right? It's just different for different things. Can I describe what I have in my chart? This is measuring the range of this impulse. This area is the most likely place that if this is going to fade from here, it's most likely going to rebid out of here. It could do it before, but that doesn't play like how I think it will play. Yeah, these are actually just all funded accounts. Yeah, my personal accounts down on the day from the Ninja Trade and an Ninja Stream, and I'm not that interested. I think quarterly theory is basically zooming out and applying 4-hour charts to sessions. And once you realize that, you kind of just scrap the quarterly theory thing and just start trading a higher time frame, and then fractalize the higher time frame entries trades that you look for on a lower time frame. That's it. That's literally it. Okay, I'm in 2 now. Can I explain why I'm in shorts rather than looking for continuation longs out of the 15-minute imbalance? So typically things out of here, you have to wait for, like, I mean, look, NQ's making new highs on the day, right? So taking a long off of this, where's your stop loss? Narnia? No thanks. So the only way you can trade this is if this trades above and then you trade a continuation off of this, right? Which is fine. I actually subscribe to that. However, for me, what I'm looking for is I'm looking for this 4-hour candle to open, to take the highs, which it took, and this high here, right? Has no resting swing. This already expanded away from this swing. So it gives me the confidence that this candle can reverse. It's not going to, but it can. Then I fractalize that with the hourly and I say swing, expansion candle, swing, expansion candle. This candle pushed into the highs. Now I want to fade this and see if this runs back lower. If it runs lower, it runs lower. And that's the whole point of it. Isn't that like CRT? Yeah, just I'm making money and not waffling on the internet. You know, I guess. Listen, guys, I'm going to be really, really honest, right? I have very low tolerance on like most of these fucking internet warriors. There's a reason after the day I warned Romeo to leave my name out of his mouth or I would expose him. There's a reason he never tweeted me again. Yeah, I do hate all the Twitter gurus. And look, some people get categorized as a Twitter guru and they're not a Twitter guru, right? Just because they're outputting, they're trying to put more content out instead of trading more, etc. But there's a lot of wafflers on this YouTube app. There really are, yeah. Did I catch the rally up? Nah, I didn't actually. I faded it twice on stream. You don't move to break even? I do, but for me, I mean, I should be break even here, but I added risk at this high, so I want to give it room. I'm also giving ES room to break. If we get to 245 and we make a new low after that, then I personally would do it. Never knew you stream YouTube. Do you do it every day? Nah, it's the first streaming that I've done for like almost a year. I was just at my computer and I was like, fuck it, we'll run this. Do I rate JCap? Yeah, Carl's a good guy. I like Carl. Leo's cap, that's hilarious. Do I trade all sessions? Yeah, I just typically trade the 4 4-hour candles of the day. 2, 6, 9, 10, and 2. Those are the 4 that I typically trade. I'm in a fortunate enough location where I get to trade all 4 of those. And I look at them all. I don't trade them all. And I typically wait for a setup or 2 to trade off of those. So today, NQ didn't really give us a setup at 10 that I would have really liked. I really wanted longs on ES, but I don't trade ES. We could have taken longs, and longs made sense to me if I'm trading ES via NQ, which I do sometimes. But this setup is just a much better setup for me. 2 takes 10. And now we fade that back down into this slow grind, right? So yeah. Do I usually go break even when I swing low? Yeah, I do. But for example, I added here at the 33 candle and then it made the low. So I can't go break even now until this 15-minute candle forms, the low gets taken on that 15-minute candle. Because if we then drive off of that 15-minute candle, most likely a reversal is happening in some capacity and I don't really want to be in this trade anymore. So here, what's my risk? So it was $75 and then we added risk. We added 155. So that gives me bad at maths. 225 risk total. But then we just trailed to our previous. So as of right now, we have how much risk on the table? $120, and we're up 300 right now. What do I think about FTMO? They want to join the Futures Club. I mean, if you're in the know, it's no secret that FTMO are looking to join the futures stuff in the coming year, in this year, at some point. They have all of the stuff set up to do that. I think they're just picking their time to do it and whatever. And no doubt they'll be one of the biggest, right? I think we really underestimate how many users FTMO has. Rate Nazir, I don't even know that Naziri guy. Do you ever trade London session or just wait for New York? I always trade London. Do I expect 4 hour to hold or take the new low or high? I expect the 4 hour to retrace into 50% of the previous range before expanding. That's typically what I expect. You don't trade big size after hours? Not really. And much to the disbelief of Mr. Hedge Fund Manager, trading 100 contracts basically during Globex is, especially like if you're not swinging a position, is hard. It's not easy. Have I got denied by any crappy prop firms? I've actually never had a payout denied. You get stopped, broski. Yeah, maybe. I'm going to lose $125. Globex is the sessions outside of the New York session, the regular trading hours. Do I add supply and demand as a confluence? Sure, but very, very high time frame. But it's just levels, right? It's not supply and demand. It's just levels for me. I want to see us buy out or sell out a level. And if we do, it's confluence. Yeah, I feel like at this time, 100 contracts algos are going to come through the stop. It's not even algos. It's you sell 100 here. You are selling to a buyer. That's the way the market works, right? You sell 100 up here. You're selling to someone that's wanting to buy 100. If 100 is the most you're going to buy, sell here. The guy buying 100 probably wants to buy this 5-6 times over. Buy 100, push up, moves the bid, walks the market up slowly. And at that point, you just feel so much pressure to close your trade, and especially during, you won't even get filled at your level. Wee. Yeah, it's true though. I'm manifesting your vibes. Why did I choose funded next over take profit trader? Why did I choose funded next over take profit trader? Okay, we've got 2 minutes before I can go break even. I chose funded next because 3-day payouts. Okay, take profit trader is 1 day, but actually I feel like 1 day payouts are a bit of a trap. And I'm not saying that in a bad way, but a bit of a trap for me. Being able to take all of the money out every day just means you're 1 day closer to blowing the account. You're not building a buffer inside that account to let your account breathe. And naturally, as traders, we experience drawdown. And the type of trader I am, as that buffer increases, so does my size. And with that size, I'm most likely not going to lower that size because I just get in a rhythm and I don't want to disrupt that rhythm. So suddenly I'm long 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6. Well, I don't know, you know. And then I take all the money out and I have to go back to 1. I think they deleted the intraday drawdown. Aaron, appreciate you, brother. 50% are the, I don't want to say secret because it's not a secret. The market just typically rebalances, right? Where does it rebalance? Well, if you can mark out an undelivered range, then it's most likely going to deliver back into there before redelivering. A good example, right, is this level right here is an hourly level from this range, right? From here to here, and this pulled back into where 50%. Sure, the open's there. It's a really nice confluence, but it's still 50%. Okay, so now this is my logical break-even point right here. So I have logical liquidity targets and logical break-even points because everything is logic for me. What's my win rate? 101%. I'm yet to lose. My win rate varies, in all honesty. Some months it's low 30s, some months it's high 60s. It just averages out to around 40, 50, 60%. What is your logical liquidity and not the FVG you traded into? Sorry? Guys, all I care about is 50% of ranges. I don't care about these imbalances up here. Once they get traded through, the only thing they're good for is downside. They're not good for upside, in my opinion. Like longing an imbalance up here in price without some sort of pullback into discount, 50%, whatever, your ass going to get cooked. in my opinion. Okay, so we touched this logical liquidity target. We go higher now and we don't respect lower from here. I'm cooked because all of this move has been efficiently delivered. There's nothing left for us to come back up here for. So on the basis of that, I don't want to see it do that, right? This, if I delete this, you can see these ranges plotting. If we go lower time frame, right, you can see these ranges plotting because all of this move has been efficiently delivered, right? So this is just grindy, slow price action. This was the 50% of this. It traded into it. It should make a new low. If it doesn't make a new low and now starts to make new highs, I'm on the wrong side of the market. How long will my stream be? Until probably, well, until I either make $1,000 on these accounts or I log off with either one. So if you want me to stick around, you best pray on my downfall. I get lost day to day, 25K, 8K funded next after first payout. I did misunderstood the drawdown. Thought it would be reset to 2300, but get 6K in payouts. I don't really understand the question, brother. What account do I trade now? I'm currently trading. Sorry, let me just. I'll tell you all of them, right? Let me open Tradecopia. Let me show the accounts. I'm trading 5 50K My Funded Futures Pro accounts. I'm trading 6 Funded Next 50K Rapid accounts. I'm trading 3 Advanced Alpha accounts. I'm trading 5 Take Profit accounts. My Funding Ticks accounts, I'm not actually trading these at the moment because they already had 1K. They already had a 1K day. I caught a 1K day on them, so they are out of the group. I am using Tradecopia. Yep. You see how they're just, the ES is just being held up. This is that. So yeah, for me, I'm cool with this. I just want to secure some potential profits, and I've got 2 on, and this is typically how I trade evals, right? I have 2 on. To here, that is 750. So what I'll do is that's my area for TP, and then this is the area that I want to go to based on profit targets done for the day. So now I can leave this and I can leave this, right? I have 2 areas. This is the previous 4-hour high, so we can do this. In fact, I'm going to make this orange just because it's easier for me. And then 2, right? And then what I can do now is I can just sit here on the 5-minute chart and I can wait. Well, Tradecopia. It's literally called Tradecopia. It's literally, I have no affiliation with them. This is them. Yeah, it's pretty good. ES still rallying, a little bit silly. They sell ES here, then it's kind of fucked for them, to be honest. We're price touches 50% of the range, but doesn't trade beneath it. Does it still qualify as balance range? Okay, so yes. So for example, this point here, 635.5 is the 50% area that I care about. However, I like to see lows inside of that area taken. So this is the first 1-minute low inside of that area. I'm actually not really looking for an affiliate deal with Tradecopia. I'm happy just to make sure that as long as it's good to use, it's good to use. I've spoken to the engineer that built it, the 2 guys that built it, the 2 engineers. And yeah, I will, if I have a question, I'll go to them. If I want an affiliate deal, I'll go to them. So yeah. Could you just the Globex stuff? Globex is just spelled Globe EX, right? Just without the, so Globex. So yeah, it's normally just referred to as GBX Open. Just that's what normally it's referred to. So you have GBX, GBX is your ETH, and then you have RTH, which a lot of people just call New York. All right, they're the things. They're the two things that the markets are. It's good to see they copy all over the brackets. Yeah, to be honest, I always experience some sort of slippage or stop losses not getting hit. Like the amount of times that I had problems with stops not getting copied across or not marketing out or not marketing in, all those things. And all of a sudden I get an email saying that I blew an account. I'd be like, what the fuck? How did this even happen? I've actually not had that once with Tradecopia yet. And honestly, from Monday and Tuesday, I really put it through its paces. I really traded those 2 days. So, yeah, all in all, pretty good. I don't actually trade change date delivery, Aaron. I just simply trade 4-hour highs and inversions. So that's literally it. Tradesyncer cause you chaos. Look, I've never personally tried Tradesyncer. But yeah, oh, by the way, NQ has sold off and ES has not budged. That's not a good sign, by the way. I've never actually personally tried Tradesyncer, but all I've heard from people is they've had nothing but problems. I'm just trailing here, guys. We're so close to this. I don't want to be a dick for a tick. And also, once we start hitting this, I'm going to trail anyway. So yeah. How has your August been overall historically? Look, in 4 days time, it will mark 1 year since I got paid $1.8 million from Apex, right? So August typically for me is an okay month. We're back below that 4-hour high. I'm just trailing here. I don't want to get spooked out. We'll put a suit bid in just in case. Yeah, like the stream. I'm not speaking to anyone. We have 500 people in here. We need 100 likes. I'm not answering any more questions till that happens.
It's already at 100 likes.
Is it really? I didn't update it. What's the likes at?
Yeah.
Was it already at 100?
101.
Okay, 200.
Hey!
Is it gone up?
150 right now, yeah.
Yeah, 200. Oh, we're not doing it.
And everyone has to join the Discord.
No, we're not showing the Discord today. Not on this stream. But no, actually, I will show the Discord. If you trade prop firms and want prop firm updates, etc., whatever, then join the Discord. We run a free Discord. I'm in there. My best friend helps me run it. Yeah. 200. There we go. Okay, so that's. Are you going to post a link, Max?
It's already pinned.
Oh, it's pinned. It's pinned. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. I'm not used to this YouTube stuff. It's in the pinned comment. Anyway, I should be trailing here. I've already trailed enough, I think. We'll give it some room. This could come get me. Logical liquidity targets right here. Could come get me and then go. Ideally, I want to get this just TP, you know. 4-hour high. Don't want to see it rebuy out of here. This is previous resist. This could now just flip to support. I just want to see it flip. Bang, bang. And then it should be done. And then I'll chat with you guys for a little bit. Logical liquidity target is always at 50% or after 50%. Because if the I give like a 1% tolerance on... like, for example, say this wick was like right here and it's just above, then I would trade it. I would just trade it, right? So that's the area I would go for. Favorite prop firm right now. Oh, you put me on the spot, brother. I don't want to upset any of them. Honestly, the 3 we have pinned on the prop firm comparison website. Prop firm compare. Lucid, I think that they're new, they're exciting. I think that their live program will whatever. It will come to light that their live program turns out to be one of the better live programs out there, which is where everyone should really end up. Traderfy, no arguing. They've been around a year now, and everything about them is good, right? They have 100k sim cap. That's enough money. Don't listen to anyone online that says that's not enough. And then funded next, 3-day payouts. Fuck me. That's good. You know? Do we trail? Should we trail? Should we trail? Should we trail? Should we trail? I've never, ever, ever, ever had a problem getting paid from a single prop firm. Getting greedy? To be honest, bro, whatever. If we hit this line, I'll trail aggressively. Yes, 1 minute candle. Just trail to the 1 minute highs. Nah. I'm cool. I mean, look at the 5 minute chart, just selling off. I think this is where it ends up. Sorry guys, so many questions. So many questions. Would I try my funded challenges? If so, what? I have 5 my funded pro accounts. In fact, this is a 50k my funded pro account that I'm actually trading on right now. This is the lead account for everything else. So yeah. What did you contact me about? If you contacted me about trying to sell me something or give you a job or give you money or do any of those things, it's probably got ignored. Because I get 40 of those messages on every platform a day. Can I show you the Ninja Trader app copier? I'm using Tradecopia. Give me a job. Nah. No thanks, Nate. Where can we message you on? You can message me on any platform. I just probably won't respond. I get so many messages, guys, and I'm sorry. Like, it's just what it is. And if I responded to every single question that was like, hey, Kane, I'm in this situation, blah, 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 I'd spend all day responding. Discord link, it's in the pinned description. What's the trade logic? 2 AM high. I should be out. I think we're chilling though. Ideally, I want to see this balance and then trade lower. Is your TP just 50%? Yeah, well, it was. It's down here now. I'm trying to trail a little bit more. This is just how I trade. How did I scale my Apex counts? I wish I had my old computer because it has a file on there that shows the daily goal and what I achieved every day. I was out on my buffer in 4 days on Apex. One of those days was relatively lucky, in all honesty. I'm trading. Was relatively lucky, in all honesty. I left a sell limit in, and we dropped like 300 points, and it instantly went there. And it just took me straight through into out of my buffer. Luck, maybe. I don't know. Well, definitely luck. There's no if, buts, or maybes about it. But I literally logged in my stream to just basically came on to check and opened up my Trader and I was up, floating up like 4K. One thing though, it fucked my consistency and it made it harder for me to get a payout relatively within that first 10 days. So that was that. And then I just scaled them every day, 2 contracts, 100 ticks. Once I was done, I logged out and I didn't even look at the market. I had a really, really solid plan. I just stayed as consistent as I possibly could. Did I short because of SMT? No. What? Kane is here. I think it's time we take over YouTube. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay, I'm trying to trail here. I am getting a little bit greedy, but ES was so slow out of the gate. So yeah. Okay. Either way, we make the money we were gonna make minus 2 ticks because we would get stopped for 2 ticks up here. Spread. 2. Oh look, it's $1,500. We'll take that for sure. Is your course PDF or videos? It's actually written in hieroglyph because it doesn't exist. So if you find it, it's probably nonsense. So Do I always trade the New York PM session? Just when I'm fucking shit the whole day. Do I trade / look at quarterly theory? I've yet to find someone that can explain quarterly theory to me in any other way than 4-hour candles. Yeah, people are gonna be like, oh, it's just 90-minute sessions and it's all quarterly, whatever. Well, there's 4-hour candles in a day. So if something is gonna be done in quarters, it's probably on that chart, right? That's my logic for it. And then the SSMT thing is like just utter nonsense. And then you've got stage 2 SMT, which again is just order pairing. So yeah, I don't really have a good opinion on it. So anyway, on the video today, we caught, of course, we're going to claim the absolute nutty R that we have. So far, this trade is up AR. And if it goes down to here, this will be a 10R trade. It's not going to do that. It's about to stop us. So, or maybe it won't. ES just ticked this. And now if it pulls back, we should be good. Talk about risk management. Only risk what you can afford to lose. And yeah, this was my initial TP. It's nuts, isn't it? This range, this logical liquidity target, it ticks it, it now sells off. I'm here for the NVDA evals, full porting. I can't, I'm not going to be full porting NVIDIA evals. Sorry, that I just put NVIDIA at the close because it's just the NVIDIA day and I can just track this live stream. You're waiting for the course on anchored VWAPs. Honestly, I wish I could give you it, Fred, but the last time I gave it to someone, they came and got me. The black van man, they come and got me. What do I think about Zeusy? Think he doesn't do himself any favors from these random paper trade videos that he posts on Twitter. And the one that he apparently did do on an AMP account, he made a long ass YouTube video about it, selling his mentorship. Like, bro, if you really made that much money on the day, take it from someone that's like literally made millions of dollars trading this market. Why the fuck would I possibly exchange my time for a couple million more and be a slave to the content game and do all of that stuff? Like, don't get me wrong, we're doing content purely just to a piece of the masses right now, but we're not doing it and selling some high ticket and ramming it down everyone's throat and not, you know, he's just straight up like, yeah, if you want to learn to trade like this, come learn from the best. Bro, just get payout. How about that? Just show everyone how much money you actually make in a real market and don't hide it. It doesn't take anything away from anything you do if you just show it. Nah, the whole dodgy thing is a different conversation, right? Like, I like Ryan as a person. Again, just doesn't do himself any favors as a trader. Like, you know, 50 is 50. His mentorship's 15K. Is it really? Look, for whatever reason, right? Patrick Wheeland is good. I mean, look, he streams every single day. The good, the bad, the ugly. Yeah, the guy makes a absolute fucking killing off of affiliates, but you guys are going to spend the money anyway, so who fucking cares? So as long as he actually makes money trading, I don't care. My biggest gripe in this space, guys, is people that make zero money trading or just no money trading, and then they make all of their money from outside of trading, affiliates, from selling courses, selling a Discord, doing all that stuff. Like, if you can't trade and you're actually just preying on the people around in the system that are trying to get there, then you are just a fucking cunt. Yeah. Like, actually, you are just a fucking cunt. Anyway, guys, we just got trailed out for $1,500. Yeah, and Patrick Whelan owns it. You know, when he sits here and says, I make $1 million a month, he knows, everyone knows he makes $1 million a month from affiliates. I'm cool with that. Like, own your shit. Anyway, 10R trade. Ones and W's in the chat. That's how we do it, right? Is that how we do it? Do we do that? What is it? Guys, I'm kidding. Please don't do this. No, I'm kidding. I'm fucking kidding. I'm kidding. I'm trolling everyone. I'm trolling everyone. This was cringe.
W's in the shot.
W's in the shot. Yeah. Drake. So yeah, so anyway, this is cringe. I'm not looking at the chat till it slows down. But yeah, that's my gripe, right? So yeah, what guys, someone give me something really obnoxious and cringe to say right now. Someone. Wait. Where's my I haven't got my phone. Fuck. Give me your phone. Give me your phone. Max, give me your phone. All right, I'm gonna do a video. Everyone be quiet.
Everyone be quiet.
Look at this. Look at this amazing trade I took on stream. 10R. Haters will say it's fake. However, it was all live on YouTube. Who took that trade? Is this how we do it? Yeah, see, W's. Everyone took it. There's 600 people. I'm creating millionaires right now. Let's go. Did I do it right?
Yeah, I'll put it on TikTok right now.
No, please don't.
Yeah, upload it.
No, don't upload it.
Stop me.
No, don't do it. Anyway, guys, I came on. I streamed. I got my piece of the pie. I'm gonna go. We are up $1,495.64 per account. 24 accounts on the day. What the fuck? I just bought Konisek. Who top ticks the market like this? No one. No one. All taken live on YouTube. What about TJR? Okay, let's ask the question. Let's just dispel the myth in the room, all right? Let's just dispel the myth. Do you guys believe TJR is a millionaire from trading?
Yes.
Okay, wait. We got a yes. We got a yes. Yes, you do believe Liquidity King and Phil. Maybe from crypto. What, where he rugged everyone on his fucking pump coins? You think that's trading? From crypto. Where do you guys think that TJR makes his money? Courses in his father. Yeah, to be fair, after his last video, I'm starting to think his parents are fucking mega fucking rich, by the way. Their house looked fucking crazy.
The driveway.
That driveway, yeah.
In Cali even.
Yeah, in Cali, yeah. Holy fuck. Yeah, I mean, you make all this money selling courses. Again, I don't really care about that. If you want to make money selling courses, I'm cool with that, boys. I don't give a fuck. Like, honestly, you make 400, 500K a year trading and you make fucking 5 mil selling a course. Good on you, bro. Good on you. Like, I have no problem with that. Like, that, you should be teaching people if you can consistently make 500K a year or whatever. If you make fuck all money trading and you make all of your money trading out from the things around trading, what are you? You are a fucking cunt. That's exactly what you are. Kane, that entry hella nasty. Yeah, and I caught it live, all right? I caught it live. Let's put the executions on. You see it here. One, I faded the ad here. Chat will tell you I was there, Nick. Then I added, and then I got both out down here. Oh, this game's rigged. Oh, I'm flat. Yeah. I was getting greedy. I'd already trailed quite aggressively. TJR gonna respond to this? I don't give a fuck, bro. I don't give a fuck. I'm not one of these like sneaky fucking traders on the internet that you can and talk about like, cool, you bought a Koenigsegg, congratulations, you got no business buying that. Cool guy, I'm pretty sure. I imagine he's fun to party with, and I'm sure he's a really nice dude. However, he's not a trader, and being compared to someone like that doesn't trade is just an insult on everyone that really takes this shit seriously. I like Kimmel. Yeah, look, guys, the version of me that you see on the internet, like in the public streams, I have to tone this shit down, you know? I do. I mean, I can't even say retard. I'm not allowed.
I'm gonna rip it.
You're gonna rip it. Oops, you missed 10K trade. Did I? Why am I trading these hours? I'm trading these hours because I sucked today during the other hours. So I came to the market to find a piece of the pie off of this 4 a.m., this 4-hour candle move. Once I saw this, I was like, yep, let's rip it. Let's rip it. TP hit, I'm off. So yeah. If TGR responds, we'll respond back. Oh, I really just fumbled this trade. I quite literally sold the high and we're back at the open. Where's Leo? Leo? Hello? Leo? Can I tell you, bro, I can trade like 2 times a day, 10 times a day. I mean, some days I go on tilt and I'm fucking like mega trading, you know? It depends. It really depends. On average, I'd like to take anywhere from 1 to 4 trades a day, roughly. Edit the part where you took profit and it's 15R. Yeah, good idea. 25R trade. Who's doing it like me? No one. 500k trade. Caught 12 points on ES. Just tagged my TP. Good shit, man. ES really just fell off a cliff, right? Now redo the video. You guys have got this influencer gig fucking sorted out, ain't you? This is why you take partials, Kane? Why? Okay, let's be real though. If you're in this trade for 10R, you'd have let's just say you're in 2, you'd have partialed 1 here and probably 1 here, and I make more money selling 2 here than, because no one's timing this. If you're still in this trade after this, you're not out of it here. You're just not. I just know that. You're waiting for like new low of day type shit. Also, why the fuck would you be out of it here? The only really way you get out of this trade is if it fucking comes back up here. If not, it just dances around here and fucking does this most likely. But the thing is like, I don't need to sell the high. I don't need to sell the high and buy the low. I just need to do one. Right? Guys, I'm not shilling my private Discord here. You wanna learn from me in any capacity? Go watch the free content that exists on YouTube. Honestly, I'm not here to try and sell stuff to you. Kane, do you mess with PB trading and dodgy? Like I said, Ryan, dodgy, doesn't do himself any favors. He just doesn't. I think he's a nice guy. He doesn't do himself any traders. PB trading. Sure, they don't seem that bad. They seem to have a pretty good model. But this like bullshit of we shut down our Discord because we have nothing but people trying to copy trade us, blah blah blah. Yeah, it's got nothing to do with the fact that you're trying to sell your fucking mentorship now. It's got nothing to do with that at all. Yeah, who are you fucking kidding? Just own it. We made a bunch of money fucking trading. We want to chill for a bit, and we don't want to do as much work anymore. We have 2,000 people inside of our Discord. We want to scale that back and work with a group of 50 people and still make the same amount of money. Okay, nothing wrong with that. You don't need to lie about it. Listen, let me ask you a question, right? Out of all of these massive Discord sellers, right, or the mentorship guys, who really has like a solid track record of being able to extract money from the market? Jade Cap? Oh, that's it. Yeah, Brian's not selling at Discord. Yeah, Lanto, I'm talking like big fucking levels. Like, I'm not talking about your average Discord guy like Lanto, like myself. Like, there are fucking levels to this. TJR is making millions of dollars a month selling his Discord. Millions. Vincent, absolutely great guy. That guy's made more money than half of Twitter combined. Lambo FX. Okay. I'm waiting. PB are good traders. Again, I'm... Okay, let's be clear. PB are good traders. I agree with you. However, I've not seen them make... Okay, they make 6 figures from props. Sure. Do you believe that if they didn't have the affiliate status with most of the props that they have, they would be able to continue trading with those props? No, I can tell you that. I know for a fact. So they have that privilege. Why don't they just hit Apex for a million? I'm sure they've tried, and they've definitely failed. Umar, I mean, that guy's made more money than fucking all of Twitter combined. I don't know what that, I think Gene's legit. I mean, I saw the photo thing that he kind of got wrapped up in. Like, who cares? I think Gene's legit as anything. He's also fucking sound. Powell's a good guy. You know? I think Powell is a solid guy. He's got small calves. They've all got small calves compared to me. Come on. What do I think of Justin? I don't know enough about Justin. I don't really like the fact that he basically copied the lab branding, though. That pissed me the fuck off. That's for sure. Caspar, I don't really know enough about Jesse either. I know he trades a live account, and that's all that matters. So it's pretty cool with me. Romeo, Scam. Carmine, good guy. Afiz, good guy. Interbank, don't know. Tempo, don't know. Joker, don't actually know. What about TJR? Yeah, I don't know. And he teaches T's model while being in T's Discord. Trader Tom, Danny trades. KJ, I think it's good. Rips is fine. Rips is making good money on his personal, right? That's fine. Guys, if you guys can't see if these people are making legitimate money from trading, they are probably not. What about that Traderkane guy? Scammer. Absolute scammer. Don't trust that guy. You believe he got paid all that money from Apex? Not a chance. Not a chance. It's all monopoly money. Yeah, Desi, good guy. Guys, anyway, I'm not here to slag everyone off. I'm just saying make your own decisions, right? I have my opinions, and I'll happily tell anyone and everyone what I think of them or whoever. I think this place is this place being FinTwit, whatever, prop Twitter, fucking trading Twitter, whatever. It's a plague, boys. It's an absolute fucking plague. So, yeah. The reality is you all need to make your own decisions, and if you can't see that person makes money from trading consistently, they most likely are benefiting off of you buying their service more than they are from trading. The end. Yeah, the Traderkane is selling a course. If you go look at my mentions on Twitter in my media, you'll know exactly how much my Discord makes a month, and I don't care. We're not trying to scale that. We're cool with that. We make enough money elsewhere from different ventures, trading, etc. You should maybe we are doing clothing, Nick. Maybe we are. You've located in the UK with that fat tax, or Dubai? I have no fixed abode, Harry. No, I live in the UK, brother. Traderkane is one of the top prop firm payouts in the world. Yeah. I think, you know what? Dante is a legend. Honestly, Dante's a legend. I would say this, right? I am of the opinion that I am the most profitable prop firm trader ever. The retail prop firm. I'm of that opinion. SCI trade? Don't know. Zeusy. PBF no payout cap due to being affiliates. No affiliate has a payout cap. That's how affiliate. That's how that works, by the way. If you have a payout cap with a firm and you're affiliated with them, and then you hit the cap and you can't market for that firm anymore, then what? I'm just letting out all the secrets, but it's just a fact. I'm cool with that. Sarah trades. Yeah, think he's a legit guy. Don't really like this crusade that he finds himself on all of the time. You know? Guys, I'm not here to slag everyone off. I'm just saying make your own fucking choices and whatever. It's getting a bit much. Anyway, does anyone know what my model is? Who wants my model for free on YouTube? Well, you better hit the subscribe button for when we drop the video, because I'm not doing it now. Scammer. You all got baited. That's how easy you are to bait. That's how easy you are. Ugh. Why has no one said I'm handsome today? I don't get this. I normally get hit on the Ninja Trader streams, and there's just blokes here. Where are the girls? It's Jack. Jack just comes in, you're fit. My wife said you're fine. She's our wife now. She's not yours, she's ours. My wife. Yeah, I don't know. I just felt like doing this stream today, and 2 a.m. just seemed so fucking good. It was nice. We sold the top. Are you Brit or Aussie? I'm insulted you had to ask. When she's a 10, but she likes tiramisu. Nah, I'm good. Who wants to go on a date with someone that likes tiramisu? Can you imagine getting to the end of dinner? You're right, babe, do you want to have dessert? Yeah, I really fucking want the tiramisu. What?
I like tiramisu.
Yeah, you're weird, bro.
What?
Fucking hell. Who the fuck does that?
I think you are weird here.
Yeah, I know. I just love fucking rage baiting chat on tiramisu. Okay, I have a full custom indicator now. Plots my premium discount, tells me my SMTs. I'm basically just trading AFK now. Just wait for this little blue box to appear. Wait, where's the blue box? Oh, it's here. It's this one up here. You see this? I delete this. I delete this. This one. You ready? I delete this. I can't delete this one. This one is an indicator. This was the cell right here, the clean cell. Right, stop right there. Bang. Re-add, stop there. Re-add. Oh, it's clean. We did it. I'm not giving my thoughts on anyone else to anyone else. Okay? I'm not doing it. I'll end the thing with this. 90% of this space is a lie, and it's your job to figure that out. The end. What SMT indicator do you use? I can't tell you. I just can't tell you today. Maybe I'll go live tomorrow and I'll tell you then. Maybe not. What's the best city in England? London, and it's not even close, surely. What exchange am I using? CME. What broker am I using? This one right here. Oh, that's Tradecopia. This one right here. Londinium. London's gone down. Yeah, it has. That's for sure. But it's still one of the best cities to live in my opinion. Do I enjoy... You saw me in the G-Wagon in Camps Bay. Damn. I'm just that guy. Yeah, I thought Cape Town was fucking cool, bro. My headphones got stolen out of the G-Wagon when I went to the shop once. That wasn't ideal. But yeah, it was nice. How's Sierra chart life? Why are you out at me like that? How did you know that? It's okay. I'm still figuring it out. Yo, Sammy, you put one too many exclamation marks, and for that, you're getting timed out, my boy or girl. Sorry. Put user in timeout. How long? 24 hours. Ugh, Nick, you just got by. Who was my mentor? I figured this shit out pretty much all by myself. I had a few people teach me certain subjects, like Dexter for standard deviations. Didn't you give your model in the Riz channel? I did. Guys, honestly, if you spam the channel, we will just put slow mode on and I'll start blocking people. I don't have tolerance for most of the thing. I'm not trying to sell you something on the stream. I'm just trying to chill and vibe. And if you guys can't respect that, you'll just get timed out forever. Why doesn't Dodgy do himself a favor? Do you think trading like less than 1R is profitable long term? Why is Traderkane your name? Because it's my fucking name. Everyone doesn't believe that Kane is my real name. Nah, I'm not streaming daily. Just what's it called? Just coming on to shoot the shit sometimes. What time's NVDA earnings? Nick's like 4:20, right? Thoughts on penny stocks? Okay, fair enough. They might be holding it back. There you go. Penny stocks. Honestly, it's just a scam. Most likely. I don't know enough about it. Any advice on a person who's issues oversizing after taking a loss and then blowing accounts? Okay. Do you have the money to afford to do that? Probably not. So it's pretty silly, and it also builds bad habits. So when you are trading a real account or a funded account or a live account, something that actually matters and actually can pay you, you're most likely going to blow up there because you get rewarded on the times that doubling down on losses pays off. And if you can't cumulatively pull yourself out of drawdown outside of just betting more, the times you bet more and it doesn't pay off, you just lose more, right? So the aim of this game is just simply to trade consistently long term without banking on a few outliers. With that said, there are some trade setups that are just better that you should bet more on, but for 99% of you, that just isn't a thing. Yeah, definitely for you. Do you think that most of you have real edge? That's a question I will ask you guys. Do you think that most of you actually have edge in the market? Okay. So if I could ask all of you on a call to explain your model to me in 30 seconds or less, could you do it? Okay, let me tell you a little story. I'm not going to spoil it too much, but I spent pretty much all day with 20 traders asking them consistent questions about their model and the data that backs up their model and why they believe their edge is a real thing. And by the end of it, I concluded that I think one of them had edge. And actually, I truly didn't actually know enough about his model, the way he traded, because he had this really weird thing where he set limits overnight and just let them carry on throughout the day. So I think it was some ADR thing, which makes sense to some point, but like I don't know enough about it. Let's hop on a call then. Yeah, no worries. Send me $1,500 and I'll jump on a call with you for like 30 seconds. Done. Bet. I'm kidding, obviously. Edge is a discretionary personal skill. Wrong. Thoughts on NVDA? Most bullish stock in the history of the stock market. Selling it or going short against it, you may as well cut off some toes. Same outcome, really. Yo, Jay, any trader link ups? Okay, so listen, there is an event happening on the. Okay, this is not my event, by the way. What is it? Okay, wait. The Prop Expo. I'm going to it and I'm speaking at it. Is this gonna let me paste it? There we go. Free promo for the Prop Expo. I'm gonna send them a bill after this. Saturday, the 27th of September in London. There is the London Prop Trading Expo. It's an expo for prop firms to talk about how great they are. If you're in London, you should come to this. And the night before, so for those that are traveling, Traderfy are doing a meet and greet. So if you can get onto that list the night before, you can come to a Traderfy meetup and this event all in the same day. Just stay overnight. That is it. I'll be there with the gang, the team. Me and Riz will be having a fireside chat at 1:45 where I probably just talk shit about everyone else again. That's a joke. I won't be doing that. But that's it. Yeah. I don't actually have a link to this. Let me find that. Oh wait, Brett sent me it. Let me see. I do have a link to it. PropTradingExpo.com. Say you'll remember me. Where's the Traderfy meetup? The Traderfy meetup is, I don't know. I just agreed to do it. In fact, they sent me an email about it today. Why am I saying I don't know? Yeah, the Traderfy thing is the day before. So yeah. Fave prop firm? I don't know. The 3 on the website. If you don't know what those 3 are, check here and look at the featured firms. They're my 3 favorite. Lucid, Tradefy, Found It Next. They're the ones. Kane loves Apex. Jez, that sounds highly illegal. I would never do that. Do I think 24%? Do I think 24 RR per year is a good return? It depends. If 1% is 1R, I think 24% is fucking phenomenal, brother. Look, I do like alpha. I just think docking my drawdown by 5%, or sorry, not 5%, docking my drawdown by $250 just so I can get paid every week instead of every 2 weeks is a bit cheeky, boys. A little bit cheeky of you. I am trading with them though. Boys, if you ask me what firms I'm trading with right now, I'll tell you. My fund of futures, I got 100 grand to make there. No, sorry, I got like 60 grand to make there. I already hit the payout cap with them before, so I've gone back. Alpha, first accounts with them. Take Profit Trader. Never got a payout with them ever, actually. Funded Next. Funding Ticks. Who else? Traderfy Live. Traderfy, I trade live with Traderfy now, which, to be honest, full transparency, I'm having a rough time with. Just the truth. I just can't seem to fucking stick a winner there. I might have to go down to micros for a little bit. What else? Who else? That's it, really? No? Who else? Lucid. Fuck me, Lucid. Again, full transparency. I'm waiting for Lucid to really push the boat with Lucid. I'm waiting for Tradeovate because for me, the problem I have with Project X is I get slipped more on Project X. I don't care to prove that to anyone. I just know that's a fact. Maybe Tradecopia will get around that, but if I put my stop loss at the same place, I do get slipped a little bit more, and that just annoys me. I don't really want to fuck around with that. No Top Step. I think, look, I'll stand on business with Top Step, right? I think the Top Step moving to Project X, not giving anyone the option. One, I would be fucking pissed off if I was Ninja Trader. They looked after them all them years, allowed them to have a business, made it so that they could grow with their traders, etc., 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 and then they just turned their back on them at the 11th hour. That's just not how I like to do business. And then 2, Patek not divulging that he owns Project X. Think it's a bit fucking scammy. But the reality is most people disagree with me, and that's all that matters to them. Maybe I shouldn't say this, but Lucid will be live a lot sooner than August, September. Yeah, a lot sooner than we think. Or with Tradeovate. They're probably going to absolutely fucking kill me for saying that. Oh well. Consistently profitable trader or insane risk manager. Bit of both, really, isn't it? Do I always use the 1 minute? No, not always. 1 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute, 30 second. Today was completely technical. I mean, at this point, you can go back and watch the recording. We got, thank you. We got smashed into this short, and yeah, and then we just caught the collapse. And also, guys, if you do want to be able to ask me specific questions, right? I'm doing an AMA with a team inside of our prop firm Discord, 100% free, on Tuesday next week. So if you join, ask some questions and go from there. Huh?
I just went to FBI mode.
Really?
Yeah.
That's funny.
Fun is private.
Did you really?
Yeah.
That's so funny. Dip, dip, dip. Anyway, boys and girls, this was fun. Maybe we'll do it again one day, but that day won't be today. Does anyone know where that's from? That one day won't be today. Oh, bro, who cares? Fuck me. Stop spamming. Why don't you fix your paid community and put education content in a right order? You only have a couple of PDFs and some videos and replays. You have no shame to take money for please education. Bro, I'm going to be really honest. If you are that retarded to not be able to string it together, trading just isn't for you, my boy. I'm not even going to delete that. I have no shame. Several people have the exact same playing field as you and make thousands of dollars a months. So it's not a Discord problem, it's a you problem, and I'm not going to have you project that onto me because you can't put in the work. The end. You take money and don't put disclaimer? What's the disclaimer? Same people don't offer anything. Touch master. If you want, I'll give you a full refund for every penny you've ever spent. If you're that upset about it, just tell me your Discord username. I'll do it right now. Yeah, right. I believe you. Yeah. See, the thing is, I'm a man of my word. So if you do that, I'll tell you. If you tell me the Discord username right now on stream, I'll do it. If you're that upset about it, why am I gonna? If you're that upset about it, why am I gonna let? I don't want to take your money. You know? No, Jack. You can fuck off. He's rage baiting. I know he's rage baiting. He waited for me to almost end the stream to do it. Just give it to me instead. Give the money. I'm going to charge your card again. Bro, what the fuck do you think I am? Do you really think I'm that much of a piece of shit? What the fuck?
What if we invite him on the stream? Like, just come on, you know?
Is this a bit?
Is this a bit?
Is this a bit?
I think this is complete rage bait. I think he's rage baiting harder than me and Pickle today.
Yeah, he's rage baiting us. Chat, is he rage baiting us? He is, right? Why do I take the bait? I mean, bro, I like genuinely, if someone is that upset with my Discord, I don't want to take their money. At that point, I don't want it. Like, right? That's not anything other than me just, I don't want to take someone's money if they're that unhappy with it. Like, that's just who it is. That's just how it is for me. Bro, I don't play football, to be honest.
Someone's gonna take you out
Yeah.
there.
Don't me neither.
But don't worry about it. Come to this field.
Jack, is this the Jack? Like the TPT Jack? Jumps out of plane Jack? Jack Lee. Why no comment? Boys, I don't see half the questions. Sorry. I don't know if you remember in April you recommended The Mountain Is You. Really was a nice recommendation. Great book. Great book. Your Discord name is Ivan01. Bro, you're not even in the Discord. Why are you fucking trolling me? What are you fucking? You was. Oh, you're not in it anymore. Who cares? You unsubscribed. The end. Let's see how long you were in the Discord for. Chat, let's take bets. Unders or overs on 1 month? He was under for 1 month. Oh, wait. Sorry. I don't want to dox too much. There you go, Ivan. Congratulations. He was in for 1 month, chat. Ivan, I hope you're happy. I won't be able to feed my kids tonight. They're going to starve because of you. Yeah, Ivan, the least you could say is thank you. That is true, by the way. Okay, I see now. Thank you. Congratulations, Ivan. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Grifter. I'm kidding. Guess my Discord name. Oh, it's Orlando Rob. This guy has got his name in my Discord. Can you have $2,000? You didn't even say please. No, you can't. The fuck? So rude. Instead of saying please, he just immediately said, okay, not 2K, what about 1K? Still no please. No one's getting any money. Anyway, what's the question? The question was... Okay, I don't know. It seems like we got out at a pretty good low. So everyone that like held through, it's whatever. I know Nick's long right here. Nick, are you there? My landlord is on his way to kick me out. No, I'm not. Oh, it's algo time. Shit. Come to Saint-Tropez. I was in Saint-Tropez, brother. It's shutting down now, right? It's winding down. It's September, basically. Next year, brother, we'll arrange like a big Trader Saint-Tropez trip. Sadly, I'm just caveating this. Saint-Tropez is very expensive. So not everyone can come. Okay? I'm not beefing with anyone. I just don't take bullshit from no one. That's just how I am. PW has a 450k NVDA long. Good on him. Balls. Do you have a schedule when you're learning to trade? To have a schedule. I don't understand the question, Harry. If we hit 5k viewers, non-botted, I'll take 5 people to Saint-Tropez with me. It's okay, right? That's good. Yeah, I think so. We'll make enough money from the ad revenue at that point. That's what I'm trying to do. Just trying to get that ad revenue in. Whew. No. Yes, Amy. What? Why did you just say my full name? Bro, stop trolling. You don't need the money. I am here to have a laugh. Bro, stop vaping. I'm gonna be dead eventually. No routine. What's the question? Do I need a routine to learn to trade? Of course, you need a routine for everything. Without routine, it's chaos. Without chaos, it's crap, right? You should go around Saint-Tropez, but not in Saint-Tropez. Yeah, maybe. What are you doing if you see TJR in Saint-Tropez? Nothing. I don't care. What do I get? What do I give a fuck? Do I have one of the ones? No. Anyone saying that is... Anyone claiming to be me that offers a one-to-one? Do it with them. I am your childhood friend. Do you remember me? I was sitting next to you in class. Nice try, brother. What's your name? If you tell me your name, I'll tell you if I sat next to you in class. What do I think about trader boxing? Think it's cringe. Alex. Alex who? Such a generic name.
It's like saying like Simon.
Yeah, it's like saying Fred or John. You don't know me anymore?
Like, imagine you need attention like that bad. It's like unreal. It's not even like that. But if you're like rage baiting, there's maybe like humor to it. But like you're just confusing someone and just lying.
No, I'm just confused. Keen to be famous now. Yeah, we up now. Alex who? Alex who? Alex? Bro, I said I'm not giving any more opinions on people. Please stop. Alex from school. What school did we go to, Alex? Tell me the school we went to. No, this will catch you off guard. Because you're going to Google my name, figure out where I grew up, and then go, yeah, that school. And it's probably not that school, so... $33 this November, getting old, my friend. Me or you? Don't want to leak myself here. You're just attention seeking at this point. Alex is such a generic name. I know one Alex, and I know for a fact that it's not. I'm not that guy. Is this the same Ivan I just gave a refund to? Made 50k in payouts in April, June, but losing accounts back to back now, and currently 12k in credit card debt. Making $300 weekly from 9 to 5. Should I give up now, or do you think I can come back by December 4th? By December for taxes? You know, okay, it's me, ex-30-year-old boss. Shit, who remembers that? That's funny. Those days are hilarious. Do I think you should give up? I don't know, bro. It's the God's honest truth. 12 grand's a lot of money, especially when you're making nothing. You're making like 1.2k a month. You basically have to work 10 months to pay that credit card debt off. I'd probably focus on getting a better job, in all honesty. Early bird gets the worm. You ever thought of relocating with the UK tax right now? A few times. But honestly, I just love living here. I love the UK. I have friends here. I have family here. I have everything here. Kane, is it true your G-Wagon is exactly as as a Zuki Jimny with the body kit? Fuck. Who told them? I guess partials were not the move. Who would have thought? NVIDIA earnings are at 420. You're still milking funded next. Those accounts can't be beat. I reset everything to do this 25 account, 25 50k account thing, and they were in drawdown and now they're out. So I will be milking them though. I'm copy trading 4 funded accounts with Apex. At what point do you think Apex will move to live? 4 funded accounts? I don't know. Here are the list of the accounts I'm running. Ready? 5 times 50k pro MFF. 6 times 50k rapid funded next. 6 times 50k funding ticks. 3 alpha advanced. Am I missing an account? 5, 10, 22, 25. There you go. I'm waiting for Take Profit Trader for Lucid. I fully recommend Lucid, but I can't copy trade them and I have to trade them separately, and it's kind of defeating the whole point of the challenge. I would love to trade Lucid. I really, 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 really would. So yeah. I can't trade Apex. Banned. What's the challenge? Buy as many 50k accounts from all the firms that I like and trade them and make money with them. I'm using Tradecopia. I'm not trading at all. We caught this insane 10R trade. You see here, executions, 10R, bang, real. They straight up real. And yeah, and now I'm doing nothing. Why not scale to 1 billion? 1 billion. I can't copy any Project X accounts right now. You can with Tradesyncer, I imagine, but I'm not using Tradesyncer. Do I use ChatGPT for trading? I do, Harry. I screenshot my chart and say long or short, and it tells me exactly where to trade. We've got 20 minutes until NVIDIA earnings. So, no. Did it freeze? Did what freeze? Thoughts on 200k plus props, like Apex 300ks? I think they're fine. I mean, my Apex accounts were 250k. No mentorships. Am I buying NVIDIA? No. Whoa. Ivan. We're really going all out here. Reliable stop. I think we're flying. What's your goal business-wise? I don't really have a goal business-wise. I personally, as a human being, I'm trying to stack 50 mil liquid cash post-tax and then just dipping. Yeah. if I just suddenly disappear, just know I made it. There'll be no warning. Bro, why not trade with Helicon? 1 mil ultra accounts? Who the fuck are they? I am using parallels for Sierra, yeah. Why that number? Bro, I'm not giving anyone any promo for any firm, sorry. Oh, wait, are TPT evals trailing intraday? I only started running them because someone recommended me to. Oh, bro, please, last warning, yeah? Stop promoting this firm. I don't know who they are. And anyone reading this, don't buy shit from them. I don't know who they are. Who's the CEO? Where are they based? I don't know who these people are. What accounts do they offer? Oh, this is giving me horrible, horrible, horrible vibes. When they pass the trade of checks, I'll trade with them. Until then, I have no need to do that. Breathe air. Yeah, until they need to pass. Bro, no, I truly believe you, bro. But if the thing about Trade of A, right, and this is a lot of things that a lot of you can sleep easy if a firm has Trade of A, is Trade of A do a bunch of checks on the firm to make sure that they have the legitimacy, etc. So yeah. What was this guy doing?
Just asking for like explain your model in 30 seconds, like every few messages.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing that.
No, but just so I time them out.
Oh, I can do it really quickly. I look for a 4-hour high or an hourly high to combine, typically at the same time. They normally do. And trade will basically look for an entry using inversions from that to 50% of a range. The end. Hey, Kane, what is the bottom right box indicator? It just tells me where the levels and the direction of the swings. Only inversions, yeah. Thoughts on trading TLM on 15 second, 30 second? Works on the 30 second. When's the video coming out with the 20 traders in Riz? Probably not till Christmas. Do you think prop firms will stay around for long? Yeah, I think so. I think they'll stay around long enough. Do you think T-Trades will ever reveal his face? Yeah. Do I care about fair value gaps? No. Do I care about 50-minute highs and lows? Yes. Do I care about hourly lows and highs? Yes. Can you explain how you copy your trades with the NinjaTrader plugin? I am trading with Tradecopia. It's nothing to do with NinjaTrader. That's fair. We use DX feed. There you go. You've just admitted that it's your company or something. I don't know. Yeah. Like, honestly, bro. Like I said. Yeah, the SMT is an indicator that I use. I don't know. He didn't admit. You and Max fall out. No, we didn't fall out. He just spoke shit on me a few times in public, and I didn't appreciate it, so I stopped hanging out. No bad blood, but just is what it is. I don't have time for that. You gonna go for that 100k payout? Yeah. I mean, eventually. I'm trying to show how it's possible to just trade. It's a type group. It's family over here, not paid. Man, just love them. Okay, let me ask you this question. You give me $1 million account. What's the payout cap? If I turn that $1 million into 2, you're gonna pay me $1 million? Probably not. You're probably gonna move me to live instantly and then give me some crappy drawdown. I don't know. How do you get win streaks? I haven't won 2 in a row in months. It's just probabilities with your edge. Yeah, I mean, look, everything's out of my control. Did I know this was going to just collapse? No. Will I move to my own funds eventually? I already do trade my own funds. Look, in January of this year, I did 130k into 1.45 mil. And then I've traded that I traded that 1 million-ish account up to, give or take, like 4-ish mil. And no one gives a fuck about that. I can tell you that for free. It might seem good, but I'm telling you, the number one question I got was, what prop should I trade? Because it's not relatable. Who can deposit 100 grand to a broker and make $1 million? Practically no one. So it's difficult for anyone to relate to that. So it's hard. And I just want to make things relatable so people can learn. That's it. There was one day where you made 140k in a single session. There was a day where I made 340k in a single session. Jay, the long-term goal for me is just to build passive wealth and stack 50 mil liquid. And the question is the 50 mil liquid is, it comes from a passive perspective, right? 50 mil liquid is $2.5 million in passive interest a year. Yeah, at that point you run out of things to buy money from. If you don't count planes, cars, and boats, then yeah, I think NVDA goes up, or most of the time. Then what? Have a bunch of kids, Jay, create a fucking army of people. And yeah, am I transparent about my discretion? Yeah. I can't not be. At the end of the day, I just trade. I trade a model, but I don't always trade that model, right? And I say that to people. I have discretion. I've been in the market a fair while. And some days I go on tilt, and some days I do dumb shit, and some days I lose a lot of money. Don't get me wrong, but you know. But am I full? Just like, I can't teach my discretion and intuition, you know. It's really hard to do that. And also, if I choose to not like to cheat on the model and it plays out, is that a good thing or a bad thing? Yeah, you are the edge. Yeah. How many lots was your largest position ever? 250. 100K to 4 mil. Yeah, I mean, it's not just like straight line, like win, 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 win. Like, come on. That's silly. You're going to bail. What's your average R multiple? Don't do it like that. Guys, anyone spams any more messages, I'm just gonna block you. Ask your question. If I miss it, you can ask it again in a minute's time and I'll see it. I don't speak about tax, brother. I pay my UK tax bill just like everyone else. I don't know how a lot of other people do it. Put that slow mode on. Not right now. Okay, when can I make it? Can I take your team out for dinner? I'm the only person that lives here. When you move to Dubai, Dubai is soulless. Are you interested in property so far? Yeah, I am. But again, I don't know. Do I pay 50% tax in the UK? It depends. It's a blended rate. But yeah, overall, pretty high. What's my biggest risk on one trade? 300K. Why didn't you enter the Ninja Trader Challenge? Don't even know what's going on. Is September a good month? September starts to pick up. Is discretion important to be a great trader? Yes. Either you are 100% mechanical or you are a discretion trader. There's no in between. The model works for gold. I haven't back tested it and I haven't done the work on it, so I don't know full ins and outs of it. What's my average RR? Anywhere from 1 to 2-ish. 1.5, 1.75. That's normally the sweet spot. Okay, I asked you in the mentorship, how do you deal with this tilt stuff without it I can perform? I just did I answer this. I think I didn't, but at some point you just have to fucking call it a day, bro. Like it's hard to not want to end the day on a red. It's obviously difficult. It's not easy, right? So I personally at some point just have to fucking call it a day. And you like that's it. I don't think any crypto is good to buy right now. It seems pretty topped. How much do you make per month on average? It depends. It's not there's no average. Some months I lose money on average over the period of a year. This year it's silly money, but that's because I had a really fucking good January and 2 other months were really fucking good. August this year been kind of mid, probably up like 8-9% across the board ish. No, yeah, about 9%. Yo, back from football training. Welcome back, Alex. We know something about your biggest wins. What about some of your biggest losses? I've lost 500K in a day. Like multiple trades. That stings, can't lie. It's not easy. Can you show some of the proof of the 4.5 mil you made? So in January, I shared the daily statement on my Instagram. You can go back and look at that. In terms of the 4.5 mil, no, because the statement is going to be audited at the 18-month mark by KPMG. So until then, it's going to remain, and I'm okay with that. But there are several videos and statements. I don't have my phone with me, so yeah. But if you go on my Instagram, you can see. In fact, here you go. I'll do it. too large. Yeah, I plan to get the statement audited by one of the top 3. So why won't it let me fucking do this? It's way too large. I don't have kids, no. Here you go, look. Go to this photo right here. And then go to the last photo. That's my AMP statement on the 22nd of February. 22nd of Jan. Ben, I would advise you don't ever admit that again. Did you take that last trade? Did I take what? Last trade. I had 4 back-to-back 100K days. Yeah, just be careful, Ben. Honestly. There's this whole like thing where people can, I don't know. Just why do you need your statement audited? Why? I don't need it audited, but how nice is it to say, here's my statement of all of my trades I've taken from the last year and a half, and here is the audit from whoever. I don't really recommend trading books. I've said this a few times, a bit controversial, I'm sure, but I think you most likely have a problem in your real life outside of trading, and you need to fix that problem before anything else, you know? Assad, I've warned everybody about fucking spamming questions, yet you've spammed the entire fucking thing 5 times in a row, bro. I warned you. The end. Just fucking be polite, boys, honestly. Like, I have 0 tolerance on this bullshit. I don't care. I'm not here to be nice to you. I'm sorry about that, but most people in this space are way too fucking nice because they're trying to sell you some shit and they want you to buy it. Don't want to buy my shit? Don't care. The end. All right. Can you not take partials but you trail? What time frame do you do? Yeah, good. 20 seconds. Yeah, I mean, I don't think it will drop straight away. It will probably be, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Let's fuck off ES. Let's load up NVDA. Yeah. Earnings should be right now. Literally 420. But this is not earnings. This is speculation shit right now. There you go. They spiked the high. Yeah. What's the most amount of money you would keep in a broker? It depends on what I'm trading to do what with. Like, there's this misconception that you need millions and millions of dollars in your brokerage account if you want to trade large size. There's not. You can deposit money outside of your broker in the form of T-bills and still recur the interest. Nick, did you just get tagged out here? Holy, I hope you fucking did. You obviously just closed before the close, right? This is just fucking teleported. This teleported 100 points. Just made 3K on the drop. Good luck, brother. Fuck me. They absolutely killed it. Damn. See how they spike everyone out and then they send it? Like, unless you're selling this like a fucking degenerate. Yeah, that's just typically how these earnings plays happen. They really just sent it to the low. Crazy. Straight to my level and then down to the other level. Boys, I think we just call it there. Alberto made 100k on the drop. Dinner's on him. Everyone send Alberto your thing. Okay, they have a 43% win rate and a 1-to-1 RR. What should I do? Adjust one of those things, brother. Don't have time to help you too much. So, yeah. I journal my losers and my really tilty days. So, yeah. Guys, I had fun today. We caught an absolute banger of a trade. I appreciate every single one of you for the support that you show me on a daily basis. Just remember, trading is hard. You probably will lose most of your money if you don't do this shit correctly. Most of the things you see online are lies, and it's tough out there. So just be careful. Anyone calling me Caney ever again will get a ban from this. First and last warning. I don't like it. It's not really gonna like annoy me or tilt me, so you're not gonna get that reaction. I just won't tolerate it. So yeah. Appreciate you all. Stay safe. And don't trade this. Yeah, you guys can try and troll me. Your ex called me that? No, my ex didn't call me that. Don't worry about that. Okay, why did you take that last trade? Would you explain? You're getting timed out, brother. You can spam all you fucking want. I don't care. So, yeah. Goodbye. Appreciate all of you. Thank you for tuning in. The end. W stream.